block in. I hack in, that moves you back. Then I'm going to come here, grab it.
Fire points like this, or you do it like this, or you do it with a hack. But the idea is swing it here with a slap, reach up, grab the head, leap up in the air, boom, and come down to here.
Block in. I hack in, that moves you back. Then I'm going to come here, grab it, and stop it out. So keep it moving here. So you do here, I block in, I hack. Let's say you don't go back, I knee smash, then I'm going to take both hands and I'm going to go on the diagonal, so I'm going to push it this way. That's going to turn you. Then I'm going to step to the left as I reach up, grab your head, and go down. Here, smack, turn you, grab, bam. And come over here. Smash. If I don't have the room, you could always do this. Here, hack, and then just dump it out. You know.
Yeah.
And if you don't have the room, or
You don't really want to break someone's brain.
exactly, don't break someone's brain. You're taking a pumpkin and you're just going to slam it down to the ground. And it comes from the monkey style.
Yeah.
But let's say you don't want to do that, or, I got, an L4, L5 herniated disc, and I don't really want to aggravate it today. I can just hack, come in, gyroscopic rotation, and then I would just, boom, take that down. Either one. Just one more time on that side. So just hack, come in, lead. So he's going to grab the lapel. Two hands, he's going to pull me in. Now, I'm not going to do one of these numbers. I'm just going to go with it. And I'm going to do a battering ramp here. My elbows are anchored to me. I got this battering ramp, so the harder he pulls, I come in. I'm going to take a little bit of real estate, uppercut, palm heel, and then just if he doesn't back up enough, I'll always just go here, then uppercut, boom, smash, and grab him. Right?
Yeah.
Kind of a little high on that ankle.
It's alright.
So just boom, get him lower, good soft blow, anchored it to me, just right here. Then uppercut, I get a little bit of undulation this way, and then palm heel, kick the leg, here through the left punch. This is wide right, so I'm going right here, lock in, palm heel, then I cut the leg, put it down here, knee smash, make sure my up on the ball of my foot. I knee smash half a beat later, bring you down over that foot. So here, it's just two, I make the adjustment, cut the leg, climb outside, hit. Heel, cut, smash, and boom. Now, go down. If you're here, I can make this work. If you're down to here, all I'm going to do is smash, and I'm just going to glide you down all the way down to the eyeballs. And I want to be on your shoulders here if I can. That keeps you from turning. If I'm here, you just turn, and now we're in a fight. But if I get on your shoulders, prevent that from happening. But it's just a drill. Now, let's say you're in the other lead. Now I just kick it this way, boom. A little twisted up. I'm probably not going to get the keister, but I can hit. 5, 6, 7, and you stay in the left lead. 1,